Quality check on aisle 4. Keep the pace up, ladies.
The acceptance rate for this quarter looks promising.
Yes, but we must maintain vigilance on the tensile strength. The lives of the paratroopers depend on it.
We need these modifications for the Normandy drop immediately, Mr. Davies.
We understand the urgency, Colonel. The revised diagrams are almost ready.
Pin that seam tightly.
We need more white silk over here.
Quality check on Station 4.
Precision is paramount. These T5 parachute lines are measured and heat sealed before undergoing a rigorous strength test.
Focus on the redundant pattern. Inspector, gauge check on line 7.
This stitching looks good. Make sure the buckle clicks properly.
Make sure those static lines are attached properly before tagging the packs. We can't afford any errors.
Impact confirmed. Descent rate within parameters. All right, move in. Secure the canopy and prepare the next dummy.
Here in the cutting department, precision is paramount. Every hide must yield the maximum number of components while meeting strict military specifications.
Check the count on these jump bag components before they move to assembly.
Verified. All accounted for. Moving to the carts now.
The M1 carbine receiver, a marvel of wartime engineering, utilized cost-effective stamped steel.
From precision stamping to the careful blending of explosive compounds, every step is meticulously controlled.
Precision dies transform the cores inside the jackets. Tremendous pressure forms the pointed Spitzer profile and boat tail. After cantilever... Workers assemble the Mk2 fuse, attaching the safety lever and compressing the powerful striker spring before inserting the pyrotechnic delay element.
Every static line undergoes rigorous tension testing to ensure flawless automatic deployment.
The canvas is cut and bundled before moving to the sewing stations. Here, heavy-duty machines stitch the components.
From these looms emerge the very straps that will carry our soldiers' gear, each one meticulously...
From the lathe to final inspection, these compasses are built to the highest specifications, ensuring reliability when it matters most.
From the initial grinding stages to the meticulous assembly in the clean room, every lens undergoes rigorous testing to ensure flawless optical quality.
After meticulous inspection, the equipment undergoes a rigorous waterproofing process, ensuring durability in any condition. The shelter halves are precisely cut and stitched, then treated for waterproofing before being folded for airborne distribution.
Testing microphone input on channel 3. Verify signal strength and clarity.
Over.
Precision is paramount. Every one of these tables must be perfectly level to ensure the safety of the troops bound for Normandy.
Your life and the life of the jumper depends on this precision. There is no room for error.
Clear the bay. Forklift coming through.
Get those uniforms loaded on the next truck, Tumpelo.
We need more hands on the inspection line.
Clear the ramp. We have priority 1 vehicles moving up.
Roger. Moving the munitions crates now.
This container is cleared for the rail yard.
See to it the parachutes are dry, Corporal. We can't afford any moisture damage.
Check your static line. Harness tight. Muzzle discipline, soldier.
Yes, Sergeant. All secure.
Check the stitching on panel 4.
Looks good, Sarge. The gauge checks out.
Ensure that leg bag is secured properly, soldier.
Yes, Sergeant. Double check the ropes and the buckles.
This is it, man. Easy company. You're on point.
May the Lord bless and keep you.
Overlord, this is Tiger 1. Radio check. Cut the chute. Let's move. Dog company, over here. Assemble your weapons now. We need support on the left flank. Push up. Keep moving. Medic, over here. Make sure that barrel shines, trooper.
Sarge, I'm short on clips here.
All right, grab these. And check your boots. That mud will rot the leather.
This here is the T5 harness. When that canopy opened, it felt like a ton of bricks hitting you.
Yeah.
But it always worked.